Welcome to another podcast of Master Investors Company. Glad to be here again, bringing you the good news and bad news of money, talking about cash flow. Today's theme is going to be, of course, is always about improving our asset column with assets that produce cash flow, right? And those assets we control. Our companies own those assets, right? That we own the companies that control those assets, right? And we have companies because it's a protection from liability. Okay, so it's very important to understand that. So if you haven't got your company started, then head to our digital course number 1, which it will help you get set up very quickly. All right, and if there's any shortcuts in life, I would say is learning from others who have done it already. So if you want to, take the time and figure it all out, then by all means necessary, go ahead. Or if you want to expedite yourself and be a part of the inner circle of Master Investor and lock arms with our mission, which is we're here to elevate the financial well-being of all of our partners, which includes you, even though at this point maybe you're a free partner or a paid partner, but our mission stays like that throughout our whole content. That's why this podcast is so valuable. And I'm on a walk right now outside, and I'm like, this is a perfect time because it is when I get enlightened with ideas, with visions, and with great knowledge that I already have, so that we can give back to the community. It's important that we understand Master Investor is an investment management company. However, we also have a department which provides high quality financial education made simple, which is this department right here that you're seeing. So we're here forever. We are the money, business, and investment brand of the world. We are the Coca-Cola. We are the Google of money, right? We are the Apple of money. And so we're going to keep it like that, bringing you the ultra wealthy mindset so that we can absorb, copy, and literally execute with that mindset, because we can choose many mindsets. That's what's important, to understand the rules of money and understand the principles that comes with having a business and how we can actually increase wealth by utilizing taxes into our advantages, by documenting everything correctly, and having a team of smarter people than we are around us. So stay tuned, right? We're going to have a lot more content coming out. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Today's theme is going to be about getting started online for the first time, right? If you're first and you want to learn how to make money online and build passive income, right? Because here at Master Investor, we show you exactly how to build passive income, which is very important that we understand. We're not teaching you how to get capital gains or any of that. We're going to show you exactly how to build an email list with prospects and paying clients that are going to stay there forever and buy continuously, because we are a trusted provider, right? And these products are not even made for us, right? And we're going to get started right away. That's why the fastest way is to attach ourselves with companies that already have products made and they are being sold worldwide. It could be digital products, it could be a health product, it doesn't matter. It could be actually a physical product, it could be a protein shake, it could be something, but we don't touch a product. All we do is promote and bring that sale into that company's lending page. And if the customer converts into a sale, then we get that. And oftentimes these are memberships, meaning that they pay every month for that protein shake or for that, tea that they want to lose, let's say belly fat, right? So we're going to show you exactly which products are selling the most, how to create easy and simple and effective capture pages where we collect the emails from the interested person and it goes into a database. That's how we start making money online, because we got to control our network as well. We got to collect those emails every day. So I always talk about the email marketing part because it's key. That's where the money is. So we got to start collecting emails, whether it's one email a day, it doesn't matter. And we're going to show you how to have a sequence of emails going out to this list, and we can create different lists for different niches. So we're going to show you how to separate and pursue your passions and monetize them, because if you're interested in yoga, if you're interested in health, finance, we have all of those products available for promotion, and we don't even have to be on the face of the video either, right? We can just be creating the ad and then, set it all up and send people to that page. They do the selling because they got professional people doing so, right? These people are a specialist in what they do, right? And so they do it better than we are, and it's okay. We just gotta send the hot traffic into that capture page that we built for that product. And we're gonna show you how to have many products going at once so we can start building that passive income and break free from the rat race. If you like this podcast, hit us with the like and share it, because it's so important. When we share something, it becomes a treasure. When we don't, it is nothing, really. We gotta share the knowledge, and remember that knowledge is the new money. So when we actually share and we talk about it with other people, then we can actually, by all means, be able to increase our financial IQ, because we'd be surprised how oftentimes we go back and listen to this podcast maybe one or twice, and we learn something new because we were paying more attention, or maybe something had to change inside of us before we took the next piece of knowledge. So it's important that you understand that these products, even though these ones are free and available to the world, that they have one purpose, and it's attached to our mission, which is, what is it? To elevate the financial well-being of all of our partners. So once you follow the instructions here, I guarantee you position yourself better on the marketplace. You start creating passive income. You start becoming extraordinary, and you start really building a path to wealth, because wealth is measured in time. You're not going to have to work for money any longer, or to pay the bills, or maybe, whatever it is that you're doing that you don't like, you're going to be able to X that out quickly, right? Because if you're doing it, it's because it's paying you somehow. So you're exchanging your time, the most valuable asset, for some money that loses value and can be created from thin air. We're going to show you also how to use debt and how to create cash flow and passive income with credit cards. If you have credit cards, and use your credit cards to build your website. And listen, we're going to start with a lot of the free stuff. So everything that we give you here is like literally free. So it's so amazing how we can start making money from home for free. Passive income. I'm talking about this type of income that we're working to build. We work on our businesses. We don't work in our businesses, right? It's a big difference. Not in our businesses, but we work on our businesses, which is critical when it comes down to building wealth, because we have to always remember that we're doing this for the freedom of time, so we can do whatever we want. If we want to get up and go for a walk, or if we want to do a vacation somewhere, we don't have to ask anybody. We just go and do it at our own will. And that's the key of success right here, right? Because we all want ultimate freedom. So, ensure that you understand that it's okay to think rather than work physically. Think smart, work hard with the mind, do less and make more. That's our motto over here, right? We start doing less and less, and we start seeing the passive income being built and taking over everything in our lives and providing freedom for us. Because if we want something, that passive income is paying for it. We don't have to work hard to pay for that. So understand that it's so key to get yourself in a community of people that are wanting what you have and having what you want, right? I mean, wanting what you have, pardon me. Wanting, have what you want, right? Ultimately, if you want to increase your cash flow and passive income, then you got to get in a community like this so that we can start, talking about cash flow and how to increase, giving you different suggestions and ideas of how, as an entrepreneur and inside investor, can start building wealth quickly and can literally break free from the rat race, right? And maybe that stuff that you don't like to do or work for all the time. So, a lot of times people get sick because of that, right? They work so many years in something that they really, truly hate to go and work and so forth. So we gotta make drastic changes, get going. I'm gonna leave the link of four links below One is for your autoresponder. You're going to need to collect those emails, right? So you need that. I'm going to leave that as below. And also, I'm going to leave the link of 2 stores that you can sign up for free, create your account. Even if you don't have a company yet, you can put it under your name, right? And create an account there and find products that you are wanting to promote. And promote the link, and I'm going to show you how to create it. Actually, it's pretty much self-explanatory. When you get there, you're going to be able to see how easy it is to create a unique link. Once you say promote this product, it will give you a unique link that you just grab that link and you promote it anywhere, in your page or on your Facebook page or anywhere, and somebody buys. But we're going to show you how to get the hot traffic, how to get the people that wanting that, and show you on Facebook groups. You just go to, if you're selling something about yoga, you go to yoga groups and promote that link in there. You say, hey, check this link out, because a lot of people are looking for something to buy regarding yoga. So just as a suggestion, you give them that, and oftentimes it's a great value because they learn the information about what they are interested in, and then they're grateful and they're happy. And then if they end up buying something, then you'll get that commission, right? We get that commission every month as long as they continue to buy from that company. So it's a way to build long-term and short-term passive income, and how to break free from the rat race. At the end of the day, it's all about building cash flow and passive income. It's about getting vehicles that get us from financial point A to financial point B, and on passive income, specifically on passive income, because it's taxed at a lower bracket, and it's also the income of the ultra wealthy. It's what provides freedom. It's the income that we do not work for. We did something once and it continues to build. We're going to show you how to do an ad on Facebook for a few dollars and get millions of people viewing that ad and clicking on that and converting 10, 20, 30, 40 sales at a time, okay? So stay tuned, but you must take action right now. Hit the links below. Go create an account there, right? The other stores the one store is ClickBank. The other store is called Digital Store 24. And then the autoresponder I'm going to leave below, and click the links, go through there, and get those accounts set up. Once you got those accounts set up, then we can start making money. You can start seeing sales coming through your account, and you can deposit that in any of your checking accounts that you have, okay? You're gonna see how amazing this is. This is a great opportunity to start building passive income, all right? So glad to be here again with you on another episode of Master Investors Community. Let's start building that cash flow with those assets that produce passive income, right? And let's learn how to read financial statements, because at the end of the day, that's what a true entrepreneur and a master investor is, right? It's an inside investor. It's a sophisticated investor, someone that knows how to read financial statements, someone that knows how to use debt, good debt, to make money, basically making money from thin air, because debt is somebody else's money, and it's not taxed either, because legally debt is tax-free, okay, by law. So that's why it's keen to use debt to make money. Treat it like capital, treat it like cash, right? And then ensure that you put it to work. We're going to show you how to get out of bad debt with good debt, not by working hard. Here at Master Investor, we teach you how to make money work hard for you, and how to get going with your passive income, increase that bottom line, understand the business principles that work in all economies. All right? Much love. I'll talk to you on the next podcast. Ensure you share this with your partners and anyone that needs to listen. It will help them understand and view money on a different perspective, so that we can actually build a team, because a business is all about teams, right? And so we don't want to be doing things alone. That's why it's important that we join a mentor community that is aligned with our values and where we want to go in life, right? And people that are actually doing that. So let's get started right now. Take massive action and share the podcast. If you have any questions, always leave me a message here or anywhere else. It's important because other people might have those same questions, and we want to be able to answer and get that cash flow chat going on, because people oftentimes are uncomfortable talking about cash flow and making money in front on public, and it's something that we should encourage each other to talk about, because that's where ideas of great cash flow and passive income and high returns on investment are created, right? And we're talking about being active investors, someone that is controlling our assets. We control our assets, right? We're not talking about paper assets like stocks or cryptocurrency necessarily. We don't put our hopes in the market. No, we're going to show you how to build passive income today from home at a low cost and starting for free. These stores are free to create. So, and when we need a website to sell one of the products that we want to promote, I'm going to show you in the next video how to create it using free platforms like Google Sites that allows you to create as many websites and very cool websites. And all we need is one page, because it's a direct sale to someone that needs that solution. So we're going to show you how to put that's perfect marketing. Finding a product that is a great product with a great customer service behind it, with a great company, great reviews, and then finding that customer that needs that product, so that we can put that in front of them. They can buy and repeat again. And remember that we are a provider, right? That company, they don't even know. We just give them the link, and so they just see the ad on Facebook or whatever. They don't see any of our faces or anything like that. It's an amazing way to build passive income and free yourself from doing the work and doing anything. Remember, we have systems that do the selling and telling for us. These websites are made by copywriters and professional people that are taught to sell, and right there on a video and on that website. So, that's direct sales, and we're going to be affiliate to those companies that already have products. And also, once we take it a notch up, we start building and creating our own PDFs, which it doesn't take much. We can create a PDF, ebook of 20 pages, and sell it on Amazon, and we get 100% of that commission if people buy it for $20 and it goes viral. And we're going to show you how to, get it from different places, get the content from different places of the content that you love and you're passionate about, and you build a PDF. People, remember, it's an information age, so it's keen that we control information, organize it, and resell it back to the market. And we're not reselling it because it's not even being sold maybe yet, because we put our own twist on it. So it's unique, it's original, and it's something of value that people are willing to pay because they don't have the time to go look for it. So there are more consumers than producers. So here at Master Investor, we're going to be producing assets, building assets on our asset column, acquiring assets, acquiring, systems that ultimately creates passive income for us. All right, it's all about the bottom line. It's about increasing the bottom line. That's why our mission is to elevate the financial well-being of all of our partners. All right, so enough said. I'll talk to you on the next podcast, and much love. Stay great. Bye for now. Bringing you the good news and bad news of money, the business principles that work in all economies. Follow us on all platforms at Master Investor. Look for the logo. Thank you for your support.